This is a recipe for Nick Drake's sonic fingerprint. If you haven't heard of Nick Drake, first of all, you need to, but he has such a unique guitar tone. There's a fellow out there, a musician, a fantastic musician, named Josh Turner, who went ahead and shared the secrets to Nick Drake's acoustic guitar tone. Now, as I mentioned, Josh Turner is a fantastic musician, and I'm not talking about Josh Turner, the really deep-voiced country guy. Not him. This guy is an acoustic guitar geek through and through, and somebody you need to know. In fact, I think this video is so well done. This isn't an instructional video on how to play Nick Drake tunes. This is a video on how to sound or get close to the tone that Nick Drake uses. So I've got a little snippet of it for you here. As you can tell, the way that Josh talks, he's a guitar geek and somebody you need to know. So let's have a listen.
This is not a huge surprise to most people, but Nick played on, I think, incredibly dead strings. I doubt if he may never have even changed the strings during the whole time that he was recording. Like, they're so dead. So on my guitar right now, I'm in a very common Nick Drake tuning, and I have on a set of light gauge D'Addario nickel bronze strings. It's been kind of a new trend in acoustic guitar string manufacturers to start making nickel acoustic guitar strings again, which is great if you're trying to play vintage-sounding music or music that was recorded in the 60s and 70s, because it was very common back then for strings to be made out of nickel instead of like phosphor bronze or something like that, and they die really fast, and when they die, they really die. And they just get this incredibly kind of warm, thuddy tone.
So that was Josh Turner. All right, so that was Josh Turner talking about Nick Drake's guitar tone. He does such a good job of communicating and really getting into the nitty-gritty of what made Nick Drake's tone so unique and really how you can come close to replicating it. So make sure to check out the full video. That was just a snippet. You can check out the full video. Just go to acoustictuesdayshow.com, click on episode 18, and you'll find the full video there. And I'll also mention Josh Turner's YouTube channel is filled with just awesomeness, so be sure to check that out as well.